Activate your English, mastering the 8 suffix. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our advanced vocabulary series. Today, we're diving into a topic that is sure to elevate your English skills, the suffix 8. This tiny trio of letters is powerful, versatile, and absolutely vital to mastering advanced English vocabulary. To start, the suffix 8 is a common addition to the end of English words. We use it to change one verb into another verb. This means that by simply adding 8 to certain words, we transform their meaning to denote action. It's like magic, and the best part? Understanding this suffix will let you guess the meaning of many other English words you've not seen before. Now, let's take a look at some common 8 verbs. 1. Educate. This comes from education and means to give intellectual, moral, and social instruction. 2. Innovate. Derived from innovation. It signifies the action of making changes in something established, especially by introducing new methods, ideas, or products. 3. Hydrate. From hydration. This verb indicates the process of causing something to absorb water. These are just a few examples, but there are hundreds of 8 verbs out there for you to discover. Understanding is one thing, but practice is the key to mastery. Let's use some of our 8 verbs in sentences. 1. Educate. I'm trying to educate myself on global environmental issues. 2. Innovate. To stay competitive, companies need to constantly innovate. 3. Hydrate. During hot summer days, it's crucial to hydrate regularly. By incorporating these 8 verbs in your everyday language, you can express yourself more clearly and sound more fluent. And that's a wrap for today. We've opened the door to the vast world of 8 verbs, which will supercharge your English vocabulary. Remember to keep practicing, and soon using 8 verbs will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!